Hi, this video is for my proposal of the project, and I give the title as the text offloading in X server from semantic communication. Semantic communication represents a paradigm shift from traditional communication system by focusing on the meaning of the transmitted information rather than merely the accuracy of data delivery. So in this paper, I propose a framework for text offloading in X server tailored to semantic communication system, especially in multimodal used as the bimodal for the data processing scenarios such as visual question answering, and we can call with a short name VQA. This objective is to improve overall system efficiency and performance by leveraging intelligent text offloading strategy and thus prioritize semantic relevance and computational resource allocation. I plan to introduce an AI-based solution to optimize text offloading and also in any semantic communication system, and with a focus on improving computational load distribution and network performance. In this introduction part, as we know from the abstract, semantic communication is driven by the need of the advanced application, such as autonomous system and virtual reality, and also intelligent assistant move beyond traditional communication by transmitting only relevant and semantically meaningful information. So this can significantly reduce bandwidth usage while preserving the intent and meaning of the data. However, with the growing complexity of multimodal text, like especially in the scenario like VQA, the computational demand on both device and network infrastructure is increasing. So the efficient management or computational resource become critical, and the text offloading emerged as a promising solution for this case. As a motivation part, in edge computing, the text offloading allows computationally intensive process to be offloaded from user to the more powerful X server, enhancing the system scalability and processing capability. In the context of semantic communication, the offloading text like image processing or semantic extraction to X server can significantly reduce computational load on user device and improve overall text processing efficiency, particularly like multi-user scenario where texts are semantically diverse. However, the comprehensive strategy are need to optimize resource allocation and text offloading in X anywhere semantic communication system. So this proposal addresses this gap by exploring text offloading in Edge server for semantic communication with a specific focus on VQA text, providing both theoretical and practical contribution. In the related work path, the server study has explored text offloading in edge computing environment, focusing primarily on optimization resource allocation. And on the other hand, recent work on semantic communication have demonstrated its potential to reduce bandwidth and also improve system performance by focusing on meaningful information. However, the inhibition on text offloading with semantic communication, particularly like in bimodal scenario like VQA, that has not been sufficiently investigated, as my opinion. So related research has mainly focused on text offloading for traditional communication system without considering the semantic aspect of semantic communication system without incorporating text offloading strategy. This proposal seeks to bridge that gap. As a system model, I consider the semantic communication system with multiple user and a single base station. And if there is someone who didn't familiar with communication, the base station is like the phone tower. Maybe everyone know about that. The base station equipped with edge server, and each user generate multimodal data, and especially image and text. And rather than transmitting raw data directly to the base station, each user extracts semantically relevant feature and offloaded the processing text to the edge server, and reducing the computational burden on the user device and improving the overall system efficiency. I give some assumption in system model back. For example, for the user case, each user is equipped with limited computational resource, such as mobile device or IoT equipment and a single antenna for communication with the base station. For the edge server side, the base station is equipped with an edge server that has significantly higher computational capacity, allowing for efficient processing of bimodal data. The edge server is responsible for processing offloaded text and returning the result to the user. As the text type, the text involves both as we know, preferred image and text data, which are semantically complementary in the context of the VQA. The system processes these texts by focusing on the semantic meaning rather than raw data transmission. For the communication channel, the system operates under ideal wireless channel condition, assuming cost-bound allocation for each user, and this ensures stable communication between user and edge server with minimal interference of variability in network performance. For the problem formulation part, the goal is to optimize text offloading in semantic communication system for VQA tasks. Proposed solution. I'm not sure this is the best solution for this problem because I'm a new learner of the AI, and also I'm really excited to challenging by writing this paper. I need to write my first paper by using AI. So I'm trying to propose an AI-based text offloading strategy designed for semantic communication in VQA scenario with edge server, and the solution is rooted in reinforcement learning, and where the system continuously learn and improve the text offloading decision over time based on the environment feedback. Finally, in the conclusion part, I present the approach. Maybe it can be a novel or not, I'm not sure. Text of the offloading in edge server for semantic communication system, especially targeting multimodal, or maybe we can call bimodal such as VQA. Thank you. This is end of my presentation for the proposal of my new paper. Thank you.